Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access blocked Telegram channel. I have compiled a list of about 5 different ways to access blocked Telegram channels. So the first method, you can use a VPN, a virtual private network. So a VPN can master your IP address and make it appear as you're accessing the internet from a different location. So if you can go to your Play Store, download a reliable VPN app, install it on your device, and connect it to a server in a country where Telegram and the desired channels are accessible. Once connected, open Telegram and try accessing the channel again. If that doesn't work, you can use Telegram's built-in proxy service. So open the Telegram app and go to settings, navigate to data and storage and then proxy settings. Add a proxy server by entering the required details. You can find free proxy servers online or use a paid service for more reliable access, which I recommend enable the proxy and then attempt to access the blocked channel from that way. If that doesn't work, head on to method 3. So try different network connections. Sometimes the block might be as specific to a particular network, so you can switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile or vice versa. And to see that if the channel becomes accessible, the fourth way is to use Telegram Wave. So you can access Telegram through a web browser by visiting web.telegram.org. Sometimes accessing the web version might bypass restrictions imposed on the mobile app. And the last method, if all else fails, or is to use an alternative Telegram app. So some unofficial Telegram clients might offer additional ways to bypass restrictions. However, use this at your own risk, as they may not be secure and could compromise your data. So the fifth one is a little bit more, gotta be a bit more cautious on that one. And yeah, so just be cautious when using third-party services or alternative methods to access blocked content, and ensure that you comply with local laws and regulations. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.